Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to show you the deals that I have gotten at Walmart over the last few days. Y'all, there are 11 different money makers and or freebies in this haul, which is pretty incredible. So I got all of these items for free, plus I made a couple of dollars when I add it all up. And honestly, I didn't use many coupons. Most of these deals are using cashback apps like Swagbucks, Shopkick, and Ibotta. Of course, I've included my referral link in the video description below. If you don't have those apps and you want to get them, I would love it if you used my link to do that. I've also included a Google document in the video description below, so if you want a printable list of these deals, you can find that there. As always, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribed to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Y'all know that's free, right? It's another freebie. You can subscribe for free. All right, so let's talk about the deals. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Ferrero Golden Gallery. Now, I hope that this is there for you guys. When I went into this store, there were two different offers in Swagbucks for these, but when I got into the store, there was only one offer. So I was planning to do two different Ferrero deals, but I ended up doing only one because one of the offers disappeared. So check your Swagbucks app and see if this offer is still there. It's for the Ferrero Golden Gallery, and this is the 12-piece, like it states in the offer. These guys are $5 each, and Swagbucks is giving $10 when you buy two. So that makes them both free. Now, I will warn you that I was planning to use these as gifts or to add to gifts for the holiday season, but somehow this box got open and eaten. I'm gonna call it, I was trying it out to give you a product review. It's really, really good. I just happen to like chocolate and hazelnut, so I dug into mine already. So just be careful. If you're gonna use it as a gift, you might wanna give it away right away so you don't end up eating it yourself. All right, next up, what do I wanna tell you about next? We'll do another Swagbuck offer. So this was pretty fantastic. This Arm & Hammer Ultra Max Active Sport, so this is a 2.6 ounce deodorant. These guys are priced at $1.88 each, and Swagbucks is again giving $5 when you buy two. So that makes them completely free, plus $1.40 moneymaker. So if Swagbucks wants to pay me to buy deodorant, I'm going to allow them to do that. I believe this one said, and I'm trying to remember, you can redeem it once a week, so you can't do the offer and then go the next day and do it again. Make sure you're following the fine print of the offer. And I believe this one said you could do it once a week. Let's see, another Swagbucks offer. No, I think that was it on the Swagbucks. So let's talk about some Shopkick offers. So the Mentos Clean Breath, I found these in my store near the register. They were $3.12, and Shopkick is giving back 870 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.48, making this a 36-cent moneymaker. Now, I knew there was another Swagbucks offer. I just saw this pop up yesterday that when you buy 4 of these, Swagbucks will give you $10. So if you want to do it that way, you can buy 4 of these. It would be just over $12. Swagbucks is giving $10 back. I liked this Shopkick offer because it made it a moneymaker, plus the Swagbucks offer wasn't there when I was at the store. All right, now this other Mentos product was located right next to this one. It is the Mentos Pure Fresh Gum. So again, $3.12. Shopkick's giving back 870 kicks when you scan it and submit your receipt, and that makes this a 36-cent moneymaker. And so when you compare this, if you watch my Walgreens video for this week, that Mentos bottle was about this big. This one is also a freebie after your Shopkick, but it's a whole lot bigger bottle. If you haven't checked out the Walgreens video, you should do so. All right, another offer on Shopkick. These Nature's Bounty Stress Comfort Vitamins. These are priced at $9.98 at the store. There are $1 hang tags, or at least there were at my store, on this product. So check and see if you can find a little, it was around the bottle here, for $1 off. That makes it $8.98. Ibotta is giving back $2.25, and Shopkick is giving back 1,800 kicks, which is equivalent to $7.20, making this free plus a 47-cent moneymaker. Another one that was giving Shopkick were these Thomas croissants. I bought these a week ago, I think, and my son actually really liked them, so I went ahead and bought another pack. They're priced at $3.48 in the store. Shopkick is giving back $2.12, so that's 530 kicks. So $2.12 back on Shopkick, and Ibotta is giving back 50 cents, making the total price of this item just 86 cents. And I want to say Shopkick had a 25 kicks back on any bread purchase, and so that would also apply to this one as well. All right. Oh, here we go. Here's another one that was Shopkick. $1.98 for this Advil. So this is the Advil liquid gels. It was $1.98. Shopkick is giving back 500 kicks, making this a 2-cent moneymaker for some Advil. And this is really convenient to throw in your car or in your purse to have on the go. Another offer here, and I've shown you this before, this guy's 98 cents. Shopkick is giving back $1.50, making this a 52-cent moneymaker. This is a Maranatha almond butter packet. All right, I believe the rest of the items are Ibotta offers. So let me tell you about these. The Rimmel lipstick, this is $3.97 regular price. There's $1 off coupon for any Rimmel product, making it $2.97, and my Ibotta was giving $3 back, making that free plus a 3-cent moneymaker. So I talked to you guys about this one a week ago, but I included it again just in case you're a new subscriber or you missed the video. These guys are a fantastic deal. If your store carries the Cocktail Artist 1-liter mixers, of course this is located near the alcohol, these are $3.98 each. I grabbed the strawberry and the sweet and sour. They are $3.98 each. Ibotta was giving back $2 on each of them. So I bought two for $7.96. Ibotta gave me back $4. Coin Out, if you use that app, they also were giving back $2 for each of these. So I got $2 back on Coin Out. Now, about a week ago, Shopkick had an offer for these, so check your Shopkick offers and see if you have it. Mine is gone. I don't know if the deal is just not happening anymore or mine went away because I had already used it. Either way, even without that offer, this is a 4-cent moneymaker. I want to say it was like $1.30-some moneymaker with the Shopkick offer as well. So this is great, especially if you make drinks around the holidays. That's a great thing to add to your grocery list. All right, these Ritz cheese crispers. These guys are $2.93 each. So when you buy two, that's $5.86. Ibotta gave me $3.93. There was a buy one, get one free offer. And then there was a 50-cent back offer, and they both applied. So I got the $2.93, and then I got the 50 cents twice. So that makes it $3.93 back on Ibotta, making it just 96 cents each for these Ritz cheese crispers. This one here, the whey protein bar, Gatorade whey protein bar, this is priced at $1.48. Ibotta is giving back $1, so I grabbed another one of those. if you're doing the Ibotta bonus right now, I know mine was redeem 30 offers, get $10 back. I'm always looking for inexpensive items like that, that's 48 cents after the offer, because once I hit those 30 offers and get the $10 back, that will make almost everything I've purchased free, if not better than free. So that's one to keep your eye on. All right, now the cards. There are two different card offers out there. You might not have them both, but I wanted to tell you about both of them because I'm not sure which offer you will have in your Ibotta account. Now, there is an offer for $2 back when you buy any 2 Hallmark cards, and there are 47-cent cards at some Walmarts. So check your Walmart, see if you have the 47-cent cards. Scan the barcode to see if they qualify. This one did, so I paid 94 cents. I got $2 back, making it $1.06. Now the second offer is on holiday cards. So they're also 47-cent holiday cards at some Walmarts, but the offer on this one was $3 back when you buy 2. So the 47 cents times 2 is 94 cents. You're getting $3 back on Ibotta, making this a $2.06 moneymaker on the cards. So, all right, did I get it all? Oh no, one more thing. So this guy right here, the Hellmann's cilantro lime sauce, there were a number of different Hellmann's sauces at the store for $3.47, and there was a $2 coupon hanging on the product. So look for that in your store. I'm going to include a picture here on the screen, that way you can see what it looked like. So I paid $1.47 and Ibotta gave me $1 back, making this sauce just 47 cents. Now I haven't tried it yet, so I have no idea if it's any good. But again, it's one of those low cost items that helps me track towards the get $10 when you redeem 30 offers with Ibotta. All right, I think I talked about everything. Hope you guys are having a great week shopping. If you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't stopped by my Facebook page, please do so. It is facebook.com/savingwithchristina. I also have a new Instagram page that I'm working on, and that is Save with Christina. I would love to see you guys over there. Thank y'all so much for your support, and have a great day.